In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build a simple website with Constant Contact. We are going to do this by creating a landing page, which is a simple, focused web page you can share as a standalone link. It is perfect for collecting signups or promoting something specific without needing a full website build. Start from your Constant Contact dashboard. In the main navigation, click Channels, then select Landing Pages. This is where all of your landing pages live and where you will create a new one. Next, click the plus button that says Create a Landing Page. Constant Contact will ask you to choose a landing page type. If your main goal is to capture new contacts directly into your email or SMS lists, choose a sign-up landing page. If you want more flexibility, like promoting a product, an event, a video, or a simple link in bio style page for social media, choose a custom landing page. After that, select a template. You can pick a pre-designed option that already fits your goal, or choose a blank template if you want to start from scratch and build a cleaner layout. Templates are a great way to save time, especially if you want a polished look right away. Now name your page. In the top left corner, click the pencil icon or the current name to give it a clear internal name. This name helps you stay organized later, especially if you create multiple pages. You are now in the editor. It is a drag-and-drop builder, similar to the email editor. From the left-hand toolbar, drag in blocks like images, text, buttons, or video, and place them in your layout. Keep the design simple and easy to scan. Use the Design tab to set global styles like colors, fonts, and background graphics so the page matches your brand. If you are using a custom page and you need to collect visitor information, drag in a form block and set it up to capture the details you need. When your design looks good, click Continue to finalize the details. Add a page title and description, since these can appear in browser tabs and search results. Customize the end of the URL so it is clear and business-friendly. If the page is for a limited time promotion, set an optional expiration date to hide it automatically when the promotion ends. For performance tracking, add a Google Tracking ID or Metapixel if you use them. Finally, click Activate to publish the page. Constant Contact will provide a shareable link that you can use in emails and on social media. That covers everything you need to know.